Hello students, in today class we are going to explain or we are going to conduct the class related to aptitude of class 8th, that is a book known as KYA. In KYA, the first part which we are doing in today class is that you have to find the how many diagonals have a polygon have. It means if you want to find the number of diagonals in a polygon, so how will you draw it or how will you find it? So instead of drawing you can find by using the formula. That formula is n into n minus 1 upon 2. The formula is n into n minus 1 upon 2. Suppose suppose a polygon like a quadrilateral has 4 sides, so how many diagonals it we have? So n will be replaced by 4. 4 into 4 minus 4. So 2 is cancelled to 4. The result is 2, and 2 into 3. The result is 6. So n 4 and minus n, that will be 4 2 6. 6 minus 4, the result is 2. So if a quadrilateral has 4 sides, we will get the answer 2. If the quadrilateral like pentagon have 5 sides, so how many diagonals it we have? 5 into 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 is divided by 2, 10. 10 minus 5, the result is 5. So number of diagonals will be 5. Is that clear, students? So now in this way you can find the number of diagonals, or the one way is you can find the number of diagonals by drawing it, but it may be difficult task. To use the formula n into n minus 1 upon 2 minus n. Is that clear? Is that clear, students? Any doubt, students? No? Okay. Then we move to the next part, that is a pair of number is given. Tick the pair which shows the similar relation of the given pair. आपको इन पेयर्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है और यू हैव टू ट्राई टेल द रिलेशन. आपको इनका रिलेशन बताना है. जैसे ऑब्जर्व कीजिए 9125 9125 और नेक्स्ट वन क्या है 5219 5219. तो हमने इसमें क्या किया 9125 इज रिटर्न इन द रिवर्स फॉर्म 5219. तो ऐसे ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कौन सा नंबर है. ए पार्ट नहीं है, बी पार्ट तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बी पार्ट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दिस इज द डी 4116 and it could be reverse 4114. तो डी पार्ट इज द आंसर for answer number question number 1. Next one is 7199 and next one is 8199. It means 1000 is added to 7199, we get the 8199. In this way look at the which is same to that. Yes, B part 4271 plus 1000 we will get 5271. We will get 5271. Next again students 4500. How much? 4500. The next one is 5000. So greater than 500. So next what will be the next answer? Yes, the next answer would be which have the below given below 4 option, which is the correct one, where the difference is accurate 500, that is 7200 and 7700. In this way we can do this exercise. Okay students. Now the next one is the classification. Cross out the odd one. From this you have to cross out the odd one. Which one is odd one? Can you find? Can you find the odd one? In second, E is the odd one. Observe and find the answer. In first, which one is the odd one? C part is odd one. Because in remaining four diagrams, there is a cross and there is a small circle. But in C part or in C option, there is a one cross and two circles. That's why it is different. So in this way, you can find out the different one. Next one is correct options. Same way we discussed the previous page, that was page number 6. Now students, this is the next analogy. Analogy literally means similarity bearing a resemblance, means two things are same. The relation between first and second terms is similar to that of third and fourth. It means the relation between one and second is same as the relationship between the third and fourth. Pulp and paper. Paper is made from pulp. And hump. What is hump? Hemp is used for what? Hemp is used for making rope. That's why A option is correct. Cub, tiger. Cub, tiger. Can you tell the fawn is related to whom? Sheep. The fawn is related to sheep. Next one is shoal, fish, and swarm. Shoal is related to fish and swarm is related to birds. The group of fish is called shoal and group of birds is called swarm. In this way you can find the answer. Is that clear? Yes. The next one is students, Y related to V and T related to Q. Y. Now think about the ABC, means alphabets. How is Y and V related? X, Y, Z. T, Q, P, M, and K. Think. P, Q, R, P, Q, Q, R, S, T. Means there's a gap. Y comes after the V two alphabets. So V, Y and V. Means V is before Y before two alphabets. So in this way K, how is K is related? H, I, J, K. So what will be the option? K is related to the C1. In this way the second one, E and J. A, B, C, D, E, F, J. In this way students you can also attempt this one. Okay students. The next one is these numbers. AB 25, CD 26, PQ, RS, LM, NO 25, 26, 93, 94, 35, 36. तो क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे? NO 36. Similarly fourth, ABC 9, DEF 8. ABC 9 and DEF 8. And numbers is decreasing 9 to 8, and here the number are decreasing 5 to 4. In this way we can do it, and we can find EFG, HIJ, तो 7 6 HIJ 6. In this way fourth question D part. Any doubt students? Okay students.